Alright, now let's see how to do a 2D pocket operation. Go to the 2D option in the top toolbar and select the 2D pocket operation. Okay, just like with the previous operations, first either select a tool or create a suitable one. I'll be selecting a tool I've already set up for this. Next, go to Geometry and select the pocket where you want to perform the operation. Next, go to the Heights option. From there, input the clearance height, retract height, and feed height. Afterwards, provide the top height where your pocket operation will start, as well as the bottom height. Next, go to the Passes menu. Here, you can input values for tolerance, step over, and tool compensation. You can also enable the multiple depth option. Furthermore, you can specify the stop to leave in the pocket. Alright, next you'll select the linking menu. This is especially important because it's a pocket operation, and you'll likely need to give the tool a ramp. You can set that here, providing the ramping details according to your tool's correct parameters. Alright, then let's watch the simulation of this operation.